Okay, in this video I'm going to show how to solve question number 9, exercise 1, question number 9. Here we have the question. Lily purchased a flat for 2 lakh. Okay, Lily purchased a flat for 2 lakh from a housing society. Housing society tengin flat layer 2 lakh in more. She paid 67,600 in cash. That means at the times of purchasing the house, a flat, she paid 67,600 only. Then another from 2 lakh, she paid 67,600, and then more than half of the money is balance. Okay, balance kanin azad the item in omachichu and agreed to pay that balance in 3 equal half yearly installments. She has to pay the balance in 3 equal half yearly installment. 3 times she has to pay it back. Okay, voi thum apek ngai answer. So if the rate of interest be 20% per annum compounded half yearly, rate of interest is 20% compounded half yearly, then find the value of each installment. Okay, initially she paid 67,600 from 2 lakh. Okay, 2 lakh atang kan tizati apea a balance to balance will be 2 lakh minus 67,600. Here we have the solution. Cash price of a flat is 2 lakh and cash down payment at the times of purchasing the flat she paid 67,600. Then the balance will be 2 lakh minus 67,600. So here we have the balance 1,32,400. So this balance plus interest. No, this balance plus interest will be the amount which she had to pay back in 3 equal installments. Okay, a rate is 20% per annum. Since it is half yearly, we divide the rate by 2, so we get 10% half yearly. Okay, he question akan nai chinnas let x be, okay, let's the value of each installment be rupees x, and since she had to pay it back in 3 equal installments, we will write P1 comma P2 and P3 be the principals for each installment. Principals for each installment. Okay, for each installment respectively. Therefore, in this case, x, as I said in the earlier videos, x is our amount. Okay, amount A is given by P1 plus rate by 100 and n. And since if P is the first P1, then n value will be 1. If it is P2, n value will be 2, and if it is P3, your n value will be 3. Okay, we have to remember this. So amount A is given by P1 plus R by 100, and n stand for what? The number of installment. If it is the first installment, n value will be 1, and then the second installment, n value will be 2, and the third installment, n value will be 3. Okay, then A x, we will put x here, x equal to P1, the first installment, 1 plus rate is 10 by 100, and the power will be 1. Okay, why it is 1? Because it is the first installment. Since it is the first installment, the power should be 1. Then continue here, x is equal to p1. See, 1, if we simplify this 10 by 100 or divide this by 10 and 10, 10 ones are, then 10 tens are. Since it is power 1, neglect this. So x is equal to what? P1, take LCM from here, take LCM is 10, 10 1 is 10 plus 1. Again, x is equal to P1, 10 plus 1, 11 by 10. Again, let's continue here. X is equal to, okay, here we have to take this 11 by 10 to the left side. As I said, if you take any fraction to the right side or left side, or if it jumps this equal to, okay, jumps over this equal to, the denominator will go upside and numerator will be at the denominator. Okay, here 10 will go up, then 11 will be at the denominator. So this will be P1. Okay, or let's continue here, or we can write P1 is equal to 10 by 11 x. Okay, and P2 will be what? You just put the square over here if it is P2, and then if it is P3, what it will be? And P3, since this is the third installment, you have to put the cube here. These are our principles in each installment. Okay, now balance. As I said, balance is you have to sum all this, P1, P2, P3, or let's write here balance. Balance is rupees how much? 1,32,400. This is our balance. So it is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3, rupees 1,32,400, and replace this value 10 by 11 x plus 10 by 11 square x plus 10 by 11 cube x equal to rupees 1,32,400. Okay, now take common factors from these three terms, from here, from here, from here. The common factors will be the smallest one, 10 by 11 x. Okay, 10 by 11 x is our common factor here. So from here 1 will remain, this plus from here, from 2 times of 10 by 11, if 1 time goes out as common factor, another 1 time will be remaining here, then here another square will be remaining. Okay, rupees 1,32,400. Then see 10 by 11 x as it is here, 1 plus 10 by 11 plus you have to take 10 square and 11 square. 10 square is 100 and 11 square 121 rupees 1,32,400. Okay, then here 10 by 11 x, we have to take LCM. LCM like Maya, or LCM here will be what? 1 to 1. 1 to 1. So below these 1 we have 1. Okay, 1 to 1 into 1 to 1 will be 1 to 1. 1 to 1 ones are 1 to 1 plus 11 into 11 is 1 to 1. So 11 tens are 110, right? Plus 100. It will be rupees 1,32,400. Then 10 by 11x, 10 by 11x. You have to add all these three. Okay, let's add here. On ending this 331 by 121 equal to rupees 1,32,400. Okay, again here to get this x value, all the fraction, this 10 by 11 and 31 by 121, you have to shift to the right side of equal to. Let's shift this rupees 1,32,400. Okay, since they are multiplying here, they are multiplication, so on taking all these fraction, the denominator will go upside, and then numerator will be the denominator. Again here also 121 will be numerator, 31 will be at the denominator. Okay, then if we simplify this, we will get x value. X value will be rupees 53240. 53240. Okay, this is the value of the installment, okay, which she has to pay in 3 times. Okay, she has to pay 3 times. 53,240. She has to pay this much amount of money 3 times. Okay, hence we will conclude here. Hence the value of each installment is rupees 53,240. okay, this is the value of each installment. Now your homework will be question number question number 13. Okay, question number 13 is your homework. You have to submit it to me before 7 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, thank you.